Mama Joy was denied access at Orlando Stadium last night. Mama Joy had to go to the police station to report that she has been denied access, whom had to intervene. As we all know, Mama Joy was an Orlando Pirates #1 supporter and left to join Royal AM last season.
Guys, I am here. I am not allowed to enter Orlando Stadium. I don't know what I have done. I have my ticket with me here. I have my ticket. I have my ticket. No. I have my ticket with me here. You see? But I am not allowed. I don't know what's going on. They didn't even see my ticket.
What do you think of this? Is the right of admission reserved allowed in stadiums? What about the opponent? How does this work? Please do share your thoughts down below.